Screaming, a swing that sways with no one there. Where you used to laugh, I keep coming back here, I swear. The night is heavy, whispering secrets of the way. That melody keeps playing like it's stuck in yesterday. A sky of iron, clouds just waiting to break through. Every drop of water carries the trace of you. The window's humming like it remembers your voice in all this silence. My goodbye just overflows. Let the storms come crashing in. Only one thing matters now. Under the rain with you, I'm living every moment we went through. Every meeting was the path I chose. Even if the stars burn out, I'm still chasing your light somehow. No map, no road to guide me. You're the only way I'm going. Frozen photographs, speaking without a single sigh. Keeping all the stories I can't leave behind. Autumn arrives now with your breath hanging in the air. Every time it's new, this way of loving everywhere. The world keeps turning, everything can rearrange. But I stay steady, holding on to what I gave. Empty rooms around me, doors I open as I go. Only echoes left now that won't stop letting me know. One last breath and I'm with you. Every moment, every beat. Under the rain with you, walking through the pain and shelter too. Every tear just proves it's true. Even if the sun won't rise, I know you're the reason why the world may change, but I'm still standing. You're the only way I'm going. And it rains again just like before. The same rain falling, the same road I walk. An eternal memory that never walks away. Under the rain with you, I'm living every moment we went through. Every meeting was the path I chose. Even if the stars